Hi guys and welcome to today's video. It's Crypto Magic here and today I got a new amazing project to show you, which is of course a page called SWINCACOIN.com. So I think we can start with showing you the project. So that's all about becoming a real estate investor with Swinca Coin. So I think we can of course read the introduction to it. So of course, welcome in Swinka ecosystem. Our goal is to develop decentralized and more global blockchain finance. This through multiple projects such as real estate tokenization, SWI coin, which is the coin of the project, of course, crypto payment rental, Swinka rent, like Airbnb and banking. So of course that's many cool features in it, and as you can see the page is looking so professional. Even you can choose a wide range of languages. So of course here we got the Chinese, English, German, of course French, Italian, Portuguese, Russian and Spanish. So of course a wide range to choose from. So it's pretty much for everyone. So of course that's a advantage of it. So of course we can click here to buy SWI token, which is of course the coin of the product. So of course when you click here, it will take us to the page where we can purchase it. So here we got the page, of course, where we can of course purchase the token of the product. So here we got ICO, Swinca, live now, IEO in progress. So as you can see here we got the progress of it, and you can of course participate in it. You can of course type here the amount you want. Minimum it is $50. So of course everything is here, but you can of course have to create an account or log in to participate. So of course you can click on register if you don't have an account, or if you have one, you can of course click here above on login. So of course you can choose the one you prefer. Of course you can register, or if you have the account you can log in. So of course that's it. So let's be back to the main site to see some more information about the project. So we are back to the main site, so let's scroll down to see some more. So here we got, why do investors trust us? At Swinka, our priority is your trust. The link we maintain with our community is very dear to us, and we want it to be sustainable and on a good foundation. So of course that's a thing. Here we got some investors. It is of course PancakeSwap and some more like ICO Marks and ICO Bench. So of course very popular platforms in it. So of course here we got why they trust them. So of course here we got cool facts about it. So of course the first one is several audits. So of course it is all about the security and all that stuff. So let's of course read it. Swinka has passed into the hands of many reputable listeners. We want total transparency and are constantly looking for improvement. So of course that's very important. Transparency is very cool. Of course it's all, of course every information is shown. Next thing is of course KYC or AML checks. So the team was subjected to YC checks with auditors as well as institutions. The safety of our investors is a priority. So once again, of course the safety is the main point. So that's very cool idea behind this one. And the next one, which is the last one, not least one, a powerful strategy. So Swinka has developed a comprehensive strategy so that its investors can see their capital increase. So of course we really look forward to this one. So that's very cool information. Here we got the next one, which is of course this is Swinka, this is our project, and that's it. So of course let's scroll down and see some more information. So Swinka is a multitude of project. We wanted to democratize blockchain and decentralized finance in all domains. So of course that's very cool idea. So the first, of course, feature is Swinca Rent, traveling, dreaming of renting hotel rooms using cryptocurrency. This dream comes true with Swinca Rent coming soon. So of course, never heard of anything like that. So that's very innovative. We of course we will wait for this. So that's can be amazing. So the next thing is of course Swinca Real Estate Token. A user receives their monthly income, rent, and capital gain instantly by allocating investments in the properties they prefer. Properties are tokenized on the blockchain, so of course that's very innovative too. So of course the product is so on point and very modern and all the stuff. So the next thing is of course the Swinka Foundation. So let's see. Swinka is a committed project. Through the creation of the foundation, we are dedicated to supporting charitable projects while offering a cheaper token. So of course that's very cool idea once again. So very cool ideas in this project, as you can see. And here we got Swinca Bank coming soon. Do you wanna test the alpha application? Click on the blog. So of course you can click on it to see some more information about any of this. So of course that's a thing. You can of course read more to be more informed about the product. So that's all. So of course here we got need more answers. Of course you can send a message to the team and they will of course respond. So that's very cool that you can of course ask anything you want here and send a message. So that's very cool idea. And here we got the roadmap of the project. So of course here we got some points of the past that they passed, of course, like achievements and all the stuff, as well as the plans that are coming soon, as of course the Swinca Rent and Swinca Bank. So here we got of course the ones that are out, like the Swinca Real Estate Token, the foundation, and of course a real estate platform. So that's it. So very cool information in it. And if you want to know more about this product, you can click here on the white paper and you can choose either French, either English, the one you speak. So if you click on it, it will take you to the page where you can of course have all the details about it. So here we got the document where you got all the details about the product. It is basically like 48 pages. So if you read it, you will be fully informed with the project. So that's very cool that the product is so transparent. Here you got all the information about the token, economy, and all the stuff, tokenomics. So that's very cool information in it. So if you read it, you will be fully informed with anything about this product. So that's very cool information. As you can see here, everything is provided by the team. So if you read it once again, you will be knowing anything. So that's a thing. So let's be back to the main site to see some more stuff about the project. So we are back to the main site and here we got the section our project. So let's see how about the first one, which is of course Swinca Token SWI. So let's see. So here we got every information about this, of course currency of the product. So 90% cryptocurrency transaction made faster. The finance digital real estate currency around. Swinca is a platform offering the opportunity to instantly invest in real estate, allowing anyone to become a multi-properties owner. So of course it is started. So as you can see, you can do anything here. So you can of course once again read the white paper, which is of course the document with anything about this section. So that's so cool. And here you got of course once again the page where you can purchase the token. So I've shown you this like before, so you can of course be back to this and of course do it. So that's an information about this one. Here we got like 300,000 users, so that's a amount, very cool amount. Here we got the amount of transaction, which is 3.5 of course of these millions. So that's very cool. Once again, here we got alumni. So of course it is almost over, of course, 2 million. So that's a thing, very cool. And here we got assets in custody. So of course it is over 60 million. So that's very, very, very cool. And here we got Swinca token benefits. Tokenizing real estate around the world is one of the real blockchain applications for 2021. We believe this opportunity is wide enough for us and others in the market. Investors of all sizes can trade investments shares with each other effortlessly and instantly. So of course that's a huge advantage. Here we got some, of course, bonuses, special functions and governance. So of course, thanks to the token, of course, it is all about the bonus. You will be able to obtain significant discounts on the services, being able to use the functionalities without any cost. So of course, very cool thing about this one. Here we got, of course, the special functions. The token will allow access to special functions and use cases not accessible to users without tokens. So of course, that's pretty much inclusive, of course. And the governance, of course, the token is the way to be closer to our community by allowing it to know which coins will be listed, to vote on the features and etc. Of course, you can click on it to have some more information. So of course, and here we got the results of ICO, of course, phase. Together we make history. So of course, you can of course type your email in and password and send it to me. So of course, here you got all the information about it. So of course you can download the result report with the milestones achieved during the ICO phase of CWI and the highlights. So of course very cool information. And here we got the distribution of the of course token policy. So founding team, of course, 5%, development fund 15%, and ICO, of course, 80%. So of course, once again, you can click to purchase the token, and here you got the roadmap, which is of course the things that they've done, and here you got of course the plans for 2022. So of course, very, very cool stuff. So here you got all the tutorial how to buy the SWI tokens. So of course it is only 3 steps and you are in. So of course very cool. And once again, here you got the button, and here you got FAQ. Of course you can have some information to these answers and questions. So that's very, very cool. And if you need more, you can contact the team, and that's it. And you can of course sign up for the newsletter by typing your email in and subscribing. So that's very, very cool idea too. So I think we can go on to the next section with the of course our product, which is of course the Swinca properties. So let's go there. So here we got the site about the properties. So Swinca wants to develop the opportunity for everyone to invest in the real estate. This requires the tokenization of these properties with the SWI token. So once again, of course, you can click on it to buy the token. And here you got some more information about invest crypto in real estate on the one place. Here you got some more information, which is of course with the token you can invest in real estate anytime. The token of course offering the opportunity to allowing for anyone to become a multi property. So that's very cool idea. As you can see here, you got some examples of it. So that's looking so cool. And here you got of course some destinations. So that's very, very cool and innovative idea about this one. You can see more by of course searching it. So that's very cool. So let's go on to the next thing, which is of course the rent, Swinca rent. So let's go there. So of course this one is coming soon. So of course we gotta wait for this one, and the bank as well. So I can't wait for it. I think you do too, because it's gonna be a huge thing in it. So very, very cool. And here we got the join sale, which is of course the page where you can purchase this token. So I think that everything is so of course easy to do. So you will all handle this, I think. So that's very cool information too. So now we are on Latoken, which is of course the page where Swinka is featured. So as you can see here, we got some like information about this project and all the stuff like token allocation, token info, economics, all that stuff, even the video, so you can of course watch it. For more information, here we got the team, so everything is provided by the team, so everything is transparent as they said before, so that's very cool about this one. And now some facts about the Latoken. Of course, it is ranked like a second worldwide in the startup tokens primary market with a 280 plus IEO since 2017, so of course that's a huge deal. So has over 2 million registered users, over 1 million Android app installations, is in the top 10 of CoinGecko ranked by the number of token pairs and coins listed. So of course that's a cool information about this one, so that's a huge advantage that they are featured here. And here we got the Forbes, of course, that's a huge thing that they are featured even on Forbes. Everyone knows what Forbes is. So of course here we got, of course, featured on work from home or anywhere, top 30 companies for remote jobs in 2022. So of course that's a thing that they are featured here. So that's a cool thing. So as you can see here we got the list of it, and here we got of course the featured our project. So that's a thing. So of course it is the Latoken, and of course here we got of course on this place, which is of course 26th, Latoken, a financial services company that works in cryptocurrency exchange. So of course very cool information. So let's be back to the main site to sum up the things up. So of course, as a last thing, of course, we got of course the section priority investor pass. Of course, here we got some information about it. So of course, it's a premium feature of the Swinca platform. Any investor who invested a minimum of $5,000 of the SWI during the ICO will automatically get it. If you didn't, the last way to get it is to lock, of course, 75,000 of course SWI for 6 months. This pass will get you many advantages for a low price. Get it while you can, of course, and you can read more about this. Here we got some of course benefits from it. So of course it is access to the best investment offers, no fees or limits on withdrawals or spending, a free Swinca Bank account and free MasterCard, and no fees while swapping fiat to cryptos, 5% bonus on capital gains, and no deposit required to participate in a investment. Includes Swinka financial insurance on potential losses. So of course security is here too, and here you got some more information, so you can read it here on this section. So I think that's a lit thing. So I think that's a cool information in it. Of course, very hot news about this platform. So that's a thing. So that's thing. And the thing, of course, once again, is that at Latoken, Swinka launches its IEO. Don't miss it, of course, to become an investor of super cool projects. So of course you can comment down below what you think about this one. I think personally that it's a lit project. Very cool information about this, features and all the stuff. Everything is very transparent, and of course security is provided. And remember that I'm not a financial advisor. All you do by yourself. So of course can't wait for the next video. See you next time. Bye.